As roadways age, there comes a time when repairs need to be made or there is a need to replace a damaged section. When that happens, the top layers are milled off. This removed material is called reclaimed asphalt pavement, or RAP. In the past, RAP was primarily discarded and ended up in landfills. However, there are valuable materials in RAP, both stone and aggregate as well as bitumen. Asphalt rejuvenation is the process of incorporating an additive, sometimes called a recycling agent, to bring new life to RAP by restoring the functional performance and balance of physical properties in the aged bitumen. By reusing the valuable materials in RAP and keeping it out of landfills, the old roads of the past can be transformed into the new roadways of today and tomorrow.